Assalamualaikum. My name is Ezzudien. I'm from Group 5. So today I'm going to present my topic, which is beach cleaning machine. So this is our team members, which is have 6 members, starting from our leader Syafiq Ezzudien bin Ibrahim, Wan Muhammad Luman bin Sabri, Muhammad Azri bin Azizan, Muhammad Aiman bin Umar, Muhammad Zaki bin Abdul Karim, and Muhammad Farouk bin Romli. So, for introduction, a beach is a landform alongside a body of water which consists of loose particles. The particles composing a beach are typically made from rock such as sand, gravel, pebbles, or biological sources such as mollusk shell or coralline algae. Unawareness and careless may lead to the pollution at the beach. So, a polluted beach is a public health risk, can reduce property values, and can inhibit economic growth of the community.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Aiman. The first problem statement is the time consuming to clean the beach. Our group chose the product because we know the problem without using our product is the time consuming to clean the beach. Next, the problem statement is they do not have enough worker to clean the beach, and the swimmer become sick from the polluted beach. Next, we proceed to the objective. So the objective for our product is to ease the worker cleaning the beach. When resort owner use our product, it can help the worker to cleaning the beach, and the beach will avoid being polluted by the rubbish and trash. Our main objective is to improve the efficiency of the cleaning beach. So when you use our product, we can guarantee beach will clean.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Muhammad Zaki Abdul Karim. Okay, for the proposed solution, our group proposed 3 solutions. The first solution is to design a beach cleaning machine in order to keep the beach clean and sustainable. Okay, for the second solution, our group proposed to design a solar-powered beach cleaning machine in order to lessen dependency on forest oil and fossil fuel. And the last solution is to design a remote control beach cleaning machine in order to save time and energy.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and my name is Muhammad Farouk Faizan Ramli. So, about the product description, number 1, a solar panel, motor, batteries, and a receiver are all included in this gadget. Second, this equipment will be equipped with a receiver that will receive data via radio wave from the data transmitter. For the third, the user data will be communicated to the transmitter system, which will also regulate the machine's movement. And lastly, as we know, solar panel, which is solar energy, will be used to charge the battery.
Assalamualaikum and selamat sejahtera. I'm Muhammad bin Sabri, and I will be presenting on the commercialization value of our product. So this product is targeted for resort owners and government bodies, which basically those who are responsible to take care of the public beaches. It will be beneficial for the resort owners to consider to buy our technology since it will ensure the comfort of their customer. Other than that, it will also help them to reduce the cost to hire workers to clean up the beaches. Next, in terms of reliability, our technology ensure the long term in maintaining the beach to be clean. Finally, our technology also is an eco-friendly machine. Our technology releases close to no pollution to the environment as it runs on solar energy.
Assalamualaikum and hi. Okay, next creativity and engagement. First, we find the beach resort owner at social media like Facebook group and approach them and ask about problem that they have faced about dirty beach. Okay, after that, we propose a solution regarding beach cleaning machine to solve their problem. Okay, next, we deal between the client. If they agree with our price, we proceed to the supplier. Lastly, we held a survey to tourists and beach resort owner after they receive our product.